just want to clarify a few things about Landslide. Here is that C chord, and then here's G with B in the bass, of course relative to the capo, right? I'm just doing this chord, and then A minor 7, and then back to G with B in the bass, and C. There it is. Okay, so the right hand on this goes thusly. Start with just the thumb. C twice. Then drop it down to the G with B in the bass. Then the A minor 7 twice. Back up to G with B in the bass. And then C. So now I'm going to alternate with my thumb the first two notes of the C chord with my thumb twice. Then G with B in the bass twice. A minor 7. Back to G with B in the bass. I'm only doing the thumb notes. So when you listen to the recording, try to isolate this sound. Amongst all the other notes. So after you've got the thumb notes down, add this first finger note on the G string. So here's the C chord. And then the G with B in the bass, A minor 7, back to G with B in the bass, up to C, and then add the third finger. I'm on the B string now. Good luck with that.